Fine line designs are designs that are made up of lines. They load up in much the same way as a basic shape, so you would begin by turning your machine on, pressing the home button and then tapping the OK button on screen. Then tap on the pattern icon, followed by the fine line icon. These designs are particularly suited to drawing or foiling or other methods of creation where you just need the line rather than a cutting shape. As you see, they load up in a very similar way to the basic shapes, where you set the height and repetition and then set that on your cutting mat. The difference is these are automatically assigned as a drawing design. So if you choose cut on your processing screen, nothing will appear. Whereas if you click draw, the design will appear. If you have the piercing tool, we can also change this to a piercing outline. And you do that through the Object Edit menu and the piercing tool function. More on that in a separate video later. If you would like to use the fine line character set to hand write some greetings on a card or a scrapbook page perhaps, you will need to load each shape individually. They are, however, sized at the same height, and therefore you can create rows of text or indeed position them vertically to write down the side of a card or around the outline of a scrapbook page. You can also treat them in much the same way as a lot of other basic shapes and flip, rotate and even group them as well.